The mission of SSM Health is, through our exceptional healthcare services, we reveal the healing presence of God. While it's only 13 words, it's very powerful and it really guides us in everything we do.
Our mission as the foundation is to help provide services to help those that are dying die with dignity and die in comfort. And it's not just for those that are dying, it's also those who are living, their family members, because they're going through a lot of trauma at the same time.
They have a music therapy that someone goes in with music to basically minister to those that are in the last stages of life. And as we all know, music plays a significant role in our life. And so that's one way in which they touch lives. Another program that they use for the sake of children is the Cat Magic. Kids that have dealt with the loss of a loved one.
The Legacy program allows a person, we send somebody in and we have them tell their story about their life and what they did and what they remember, so that those loved ones, once that person's passed away, can have those memories. Because many people don't ever talk about that. They don't talk about that history or the things they've done. And yet there's some wonderful stories.
The We Honor Veterans program, very simply, is the respectful acknowledgement of military service for those patients that have chosen SSM Hospice.
Thank you for being a vet. Thank you for letting us in your house.
Oh yeah, well that's no problem.
Talking about your service.
Well, you're all welcome.
A lot of people will be shocked to find out that about 1,800 veterans die every day. That's about 680,000 veterans die every year. SSM Health recognized that veterans facing end-of-life issues have unique challenges, that speaking to somebody and having somebody come over that understands where they've been, understands the challenges that they faced in a lifetime of service really can help.
It makes me feel wanted, respected, and I respect him. I said if I could stand up, I'd salute him. But there's a bond. He's a good guy.
You know, I think it would mean a lot to anyone that had been in the service to be recognized for it. I don't know how long he's got left. And for someone to recognize him now and say thank you, you couldn't ask for anything else.
The SSM Hospice received level 4, which is the highest level that we can, in the We Honor Veterans program through the National Hospice and Palliative Organization. We did that through compassionate listening. We did that by being present in our patients' lives and simply being there and saying thank you and respectful acknowledgement of their service.
Donor support is vital to our foundation because it allows us to provide programs for our patients and families that allow them to remain comfortable in their own home and die with dignity.
Every person in this room has been born. We have a birth date. And we will all have a death date. And however that comes, if it should come where you actually get to choose how that happens, this is an opportunity for you to be a blessing to people that may not have the opportunity to help their families walk through this difficult stage of life.